Well, where's that activity coming from? Where is that animating force? It has to be scalar energy because scalar energy never decays. It can travel throughout the universe and it never experiences any weakness. So, in other words, and I've said this so many times, if you have an infinite universe, you need an infinite energy. I believe the universe is infinite.
So do I.
A finite energy, electromagnetic energy, cannot be responsible for an infinite universe. You need an infinite energy, scalar energy, to be responsible for an infinite universe. It's that simple.
Well, even if you take this from a religious perspective, I'll stick to Christianity because that's the most dominant belief system in our culture. I don't know how many references to God as omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent. Omni means all, i.e., infinite. So if what we're saying here is that scalar energy is the prime source from which all the other forms of energy moves, then if God is omnipotent, omnipresent, omniscient, etc., well, that would suggest that that's the nature of the basis of creation itself, because God represents first principle. One of my definitions for God is that for which there is no other.
Yes, very good. And I agree, going back to the uncreated God. And you have to explain the universe in that context, that there has to be a driving force, there has to be an animating force that was never created. I agree.